Hi all, I want to demo a couple of new products here at Beautycounter. We have a brand new concealer and the Better Blender, and I'm going to show you how to use these. Right now you're looking at me with no makeup on, nothing on, just my skincare regimen. I want to show you what it looks like in phases, okay? So look at this, okay? You see, no makeup on. I'm going to come back. I'm going to show you the steps of how to use the brand new concealer and the Better Blender. Okay, so here I am. Now I have my Skin Twin foundation on. I have taken this Better Blender, I have taken it in water, squeezed it out, and then I was able to take the Skin Twin and put on my foundation. That is step 2. So you see the foundation on, right? See what it looks like? That's step 2. Step 3 is coming. Step 3. I have medium 1 is the color. Medium 1. So here's the brand new concealer, okay? The applicator might be the best part. It's got a flat edge. And you're gonna take the concealer and you're gonna go right here along the eyes. I like to make sure I also get some above on my eye to prime my eye, because they get dark sometimes. At least I picked a day where I didn't get much sleep. So there you are. It's so easy to apply. I was a fan of the concealer pen, and I was like, oh, I don't know why they have to change it. And then when I use this, I realized why. So then you're gonna take this, and you're gonna just take the Better Blender and tap lightly to blend it in. The point can be used to get right in that crevasse. So usually you want the concealer to be a shade or so lighter than the foundation if you're trying to brighten your eye. So you can see now, there you go. One more thing. Here's a finished look for you. Skin Twin, concealer, and the Golden Hour palette, part of the holiday set. I finished it off with Lilac Shimmer Lip Gloss, which is also a holiday set, and I am ready to go out on the town.